industry in Thailand, such as automotive, electronics, food industry, oil and gas, and many interest technology coming up, like a data center and also medical. My name is Wittaya Taweedech, General Manager of Factory Max.
I am Vidhu Nevatia, Director of ZECHA Precision Tools India and the brand ZECTEC.
ZECTEC is the new brand under ZECHA umbrella. Through ZECTEC, we are coming up with the innovative product for aerospace, medical, defense, for machining of the exotic material like inconel, high temp alloys, titanium, cobalt, chrome. We have very innovative solutions to optimize the manufacturing efficiency and to give the stable process to the manufacturing industry.
We have a drills, IC drill, internal coolant drill, end mills, channel end mills, lollipop, and customization. We can do the diameter 1 to diameter 16 up to your customization.
Welcome to Factory Max booth. This year we have a lot of technology and innovation. We have so many things like metal cutting solution. We have the surface finishing solution. We have the metallurgy solution and many more.
We are really happy with associated with Factory Max, who have an amazing team of people and great presence in Thailand for the Thailand market to launch our new product lines under the brand ZECTEC.